डॉक्टर गुलाब फलारी, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, जे कॉलेज आरा। आज के मेरे लेक्चर का टॉपिक है एप्लीकेशन ऑफ पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव्स इन डिमांड एनालिसिस। तो इन द केस ऑफ ए फंक्शन of one variable, that is y equal to function of x, we observe that the derivatives dy with respect to x, here x, depicts the rate of change in y due to marginal change in x। इसके बारे में हम आप लोगों को बता चुके हैं। सिमिलरली पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव्स डेल यू बाय डेल एक्स इन ए फंक्शन u इक्वल टू फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड depicts the rate of change in u with the marginal change in x when y and z does not change here. Del u by del y and del u by del z give the rate of change in u with respect to marginal change in y and z respectively when the remaining two variables are assumed to be held constant। जब मान लेते हैं now demand analysis, suppose that x small r equal to function of r p1 p2 dot pn is the demand function of the consumer good x। मान लेते हैं this is the concept of the demand function of n commodities, and if the problem is to be restricted for the sake of simplicity here, two goods x1 and x2 with prices p1 and p2, then the demand x1 and x2 of x1 and x2 total goods will be written as x1 equal to function of p1 p2 and x2 equal to function to p1 p2. Now the partial derivative del x1 by del p1 with respect to p1 shows the rate at which the demand of x1 changes as the price p1 is changed, and so on. And in this way we can obtain here four partial derivatives of two functions, function of this one and function of this one, as follows. Now for function x1 equal to f1 p1 p2, del x1 by del p1 is the marginal demand of x1 with respect to p1 Similarly, with respect to p, del x1 by del p2 is the marginal demand of x2 sorry, x1 with respect to P2, and for the next function x2 equal to f2 f p1 p2, del x2 with respect to p2 is the marginal demand of x2 with respect to p2. Similarly, del x2 with respect to p1 is the marginal demand of x2 with respect to p1. Now, partial elasticities. How partial elasticities can be calculated? By applying partial derivatives. Partial derivatives are also used to estimate the partial elasticities of demand, and may be written in the following form, or by definition we know that P1 by x1 del x1 by del P1 as the partial elasticity of demand for x1 with respect to its own price P1 here. Similarly, P2 by x1 del x1 with respect to P2 as the cross elasticity of demand for x1 with respect to P2. Similarly, P1 by x2 del x2 with respect to P1 as the cross partial elasticity of demand for x2 with respect to P1. And finally, P2 by x2 del x2 with respect to P2 as the partial elasticity of demand for x2 with respect to P2 here. Now take for example here, the demand function for a commodity A is given by x equal to function of PA, PB, PC, price of A, price of B, price of C commodities equal to 63.3 minus 1.9 PA plus 0.2 PB plus 0.5 C. PC here. Now find the partial elasticities of demand for A with respect to prices of other commodities B and C. Also estimate the partial elasticities for PA equal to 10, PB equal to 8 and PC equal to 7. Now, partial elasticity of A with respect to PB is given by the formula PB by XA into del XA by del PB with respect to PB. And when we differentiate here with respect to PB equal to 0.2 PB whole divided by, putting the values of the formula, 63.3 minus 1.9 PA plus 0.2 PB plus 0.5 PC. Now, partial elasticity of wave of A with respect to PC is given by PC by XA into del XA by del PC, and the partial elasticity of A with respect to PC is 0.5 PC divided by 63.3 minus 1.9 PA plus 0.2 PB plus 0.5 PC. Now evaluation. Evaluate the above cross partial elasticity for PA equal to 10, PB equal to 8 and PC equal to 7. These are the given here. Now putting the value of PA equal to 10, PB equal to 8 and PC equal to 7 in the form PB by XA into del XA by del PB, putting all these values, we get here 0.024. Similarly, in PC by XA into del XA by del PC, putting the values, we get here 0.053. Now example 2. Following are the demand functions for two commodities, say X1 and X2. X1 equal to PA per power minus 1.7, P2 per power 0.8 and X2 equal to P1 power 0.5, P2 minus 0.2. Determine here whether the commodities are complementary or competitive. इसको फाइंड करना है. Now in order to find the nature of commodity, where it is complementary or competitive, we must find the cross partial derivatives del x1 by del p2 and del x2 by del p1 for demand function. This one del x1 by del p2 equal to 0.8 p1 per power minus 1.7, P2 minus 0.2, which is also a positive quantity here. Hence, del x1 by del p2 here it is greater than 0. And for demand function x2, T1 per power 0.5, P2 per power minus 0.2. Now del x2 with respect to P1 equal to 0.5, T1 per power minus 0.5, P2 per power minus 0.2, which is also here positive quantity. Hence, del x2 with respect to P1 is also here greater than 0. Therefore, the commodities x1 and x2 are competitive. That's